Consider cable management before mounting the cabinets. Where do you need lighting? Where do you want the cable to come out from the cabinet? Where do you connect the cable to the power source? Some cabinets may need to be prepared for sockets. Measure where to cut a hole in the back piece. This glass cabinet, for example, is already prepared with a spotlight to ensure the cable runs easily between the cabinet and the rail. When the cabinets and the cables are prepared, start with the wall cabinets and begin in the corner. Follow with the remaining cabinets. Once the cabinets hang on the rail, it is possible to slide them for smaller adjustments. Before fixing the cabinets to the wall, make sure they are aligned underneath, in front as well as on the top. If it's difficult to align the cabinets, untie the wall brackets a bit. Continue with the corner solution for base cabinets. Follow with the rest of the base cabinets and adjust in order to align and connect the legs. Assemble the legs according to the assembly instructions. The legs have a plate that connects to the cabinet and a ring that ensures that the plinth can be installed correctly. There are two ways to stick the leg plate onto the cabinet in order to even out the pressure from the weight of the cabinet. Between two cabinets and at the edge of an outer cabinet. It is easy to fix the plate to the cabinet when the cabinet is hanging on the wall, and then just put on the leg. If you choose to have cover panels on high cabinets, mount the cover panels before installing the high cabinet on the rail. Measure where to make room for the rail. Remember to adjust the plate of the leg to fit the extended width that comes with using a cover panel. Hang the high cabinet on the rail. Fix the high cabinet and cover panel together. Some of our cabinets are mounted on the wall without a rail. To mount these cabinets alongside cabinets that hang on a rail, use the plastic spacers that come with the cabinet to ensure the distance between the wall and the cabinet is equal to the distance for the cabinets which hang on the rail. For the Tutimo cabinet, fix the plastic spacers to the back to make sure it hangs with the same distance from the wall as the other cabinets. The Tutimo cabinet has cam locks, which you can choose to either be shown as little as possible on the top of the frame if you will place the cabinets on a low level, or on the bottom frame if the cabinet will sit higher on the wall. Hide the fittings with plastic covers for a more aesthetic look. Mount the cabinets on the wall and follow the same procedure as with other cabinets. In Chapter 2, we showed how to assemble a cabinet that will be mounted on the wall without the rail. If you have already assembled a cabinet with the purpose of hanging it on the rail, but now have changed your mind, this is how to adjust it. Change the position of the fittings. And remove the plastic spacers to enable the cabinet hanging close to the wall. Use a piece of tape to prevent the plastic fittings from falling out when you carry the cabinet to the wall.